control your bucket. So if I bring it in towards me, closes it, push it away, opens it, lift back, lifts up the boom, push down, lowers the boom. For your left joystick, we have pull in towards me, we got turn right, push away, turn left. Then you bring you push out, it brings out your stick, and you pull in, it brings in your stick. You put all three of that together and it looks something like this. This little lever over here is your blade up, pull back, traverse forward, and then push your blade down. That's your counterweight, so you lift anything heavy, you don't tip forward.